Tastefully furnished rentals are not easy to come by. Many times what I find are a mixed match pairings of discarded furniture poorly put together with some IKEA pieces purchased last minute to fill in the gaps. You slap some wall art and to complete the look, and voila, you have yourself a furnished unit. While I'm proud to say that our newest listing in Downtown Doral is anything but that. Instead of haphazardly putting together a furnished property, what we have here is a carefully curated and designed aesthetic, which offers a premium living experience down to the smallest detail. This one bedroom rental is already pretty captivating with its unique design and style, but what makes it even more appealing is the building and the location. Let's start with the former. So the building is 5300 Paseo Condo, which was built in 2016. So as you can imagine, it has a modern and welcoming lobby, state-of-the-art amenities, and all the comforts you've come to expect from a contemporary high-rise. The fact that this condo is in Downtown Doral is the bonus. I've said it on this channel many times before, but Doral is not known for its walkability. What Doral is known for is its family-centric community with probably more parks in one area than any other city in Miami. Now, I haven't personally checked that out, but somehow I just know that stat to be true. There's possibly no way that there's another Miami neighborhood that has more parks. Anyways, Doral has always attracted families with its suburban nature, parks, and great schools. And as you can imagine, it wasn't a top choice for young professionals looking for a more nightlife vibe. However, Doral has worked over the years to kind of shed that image of itself a bit. They definitely still want to be known as that safe family neighborhood, but places like City Place and Downtown Doral offer more of that vibrancy and excitement that you can come to find in bigger cities with a denser population. The walkability in Downtown Doral is great with plenty of restaurants, bars, and retail shops to choose from, all just an elevator ride away, mind you. So I guess what I'm getting at is that Doral wants to be in the conversation for places that the younger generation should check out and not just be seen as a stuffy neighborhood rich people go to retire just to play golf all day. You guys get the point. Doral is worth checking out, and this rental listed for $3,500 a month is also worth checking out. So why don't we do that and get started with today's property tour? And as always, help the channel out by clicking that subscribe button, ringing that notification bell, and liking this video. All of those things help out the channel tremendously. So it costs you nothing, but it means the world to me. And with that, guys, let's get started.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that I earned your trust enough to make you want to subscribe to the channel, as that would mean the world to me. If you're still watching and want to see more, then YouTube thinks you're going to be interested in this video, and I think you're going to be more interested in this. The choice is yours. Either way, I hope to see you around soon. Take care, and God bless.